In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remap PlayStation 4 controller buttons on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly bind the PlayStation 4 controller buttons to different actions. You will be able to bind it to different buttons on the controller itself, or remap it to keyboard actions. It is entirely customizable, and you will be able to change every single button available. So to do this, you have to download DS4 Windows. This is a tool that, as the name suggests, allows you to set up your DualShock 4 or DualSense controller on Windows. So go to ds4-windows.com, click download, download once more, and then all you have to do is extract this file somewhere. When you open DS4 Windows through its executable, you will be asked to install necessary drivers. Go ahead and make sure that you install them. So if needed, download the VIGEM bus driver. Now, I'm not going to do this because you might need to reboot the computer, and because I'm recording this video, I'm going to save this for later. But all that you have to do here is first make sure that your controller is connected. So click on Start at the bottom right, and you can connect your controller with a cable or wirelessly. Once this is done, switch over to Profiles. This is where you will actually be able to remap every single button. So as you saw, I clicked on the option to create a new profile. You are going to get this warning. Do you want to use a preset option? Choose No will cause the profile editor to use an empty gamepad profile. So in this demonstration, first I'm going to click No, and as you can see, every single button is free to be assigned. What you can do here essentially is bind every single action to do something. So for example, let's say I want triangle to do a left mouse click. So I can just click on here, triangle, and then left mouse button. As you can see, it's very easy to set everything up. Let's say I want to do the multi-touch here for the Windows button. So I can do this here, and then it is going to work. You will be able to bind everything. It takes a while to do, but it is still by far the best way to manually change all of the buttons. And as long as you bind all of them, you will be able to use the DualShock or the DualSense with the new inputs that you have manually created. Just make sure to apply the profile and you will be good to go. If you use one of the pre-existing ones here, so if you go to Profiles and you choose one of these preset options, then most of the buttons will be already filled out for you, so you don't have to worry. I hope I was able to help you on how to remap PlayStation 4 controller buttons on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.